Good afternoon, Errol. This is Jim from Thunderbolt Locks. John and I were just going over the order that we're going to ship out for you, and we wanted to point out just a couple things maybe to make this installation a little easier for you. On a lot of the vehicles, we recommend that the Thunderbolt lock housing is mounted in the passenger door, and the wiring is run through the boot, and you pick up your lock wires elsewhere. I noticed on this van that it'll be easier because you can actually install the Thunderbolt in the passenger or the right side door, because your actuator wiring is going to be in this door. So once you install the Thunderbolt lock in this door itself, everything you need will be right inside, and it will strike to this side. And the reason that we usually will recommend the passenger side is this door is designed a little bit differently. What'll happen is the extension will hit the other side of the door in some applications, but not yours. So I believe that putting it in this passenger door is going to be the right way to do it, and that should work out well. Side doors, I think are going to be pretty straightforward for you. There's a little pocket. If you could stay away from that, that might be helpful, just due to the extension of the bolt. Our bolt is fully adjustable on the cable, so it surely would work in there. And it actually might be the best spot for you. You'll just have to, at rest, that bolt will probably stick out a little bit, just enough to clear this door. And then activate. It activates about 3/4 of an inch. And it can be mounted horizontally or vertically. So wherever you find to be the best spot should work. And the actuator wiring is, again, at this latch in this door. So everything can be done right inside of here. On our front doors, we noticed quite a large gap. Now, I'm not sure if your van has that or not, but I believe that our bolt can be extended. It'll probably have to be extended at rest about to here, and then it would activate beyond that, again, about that 3/4 of an inch. And it's going to strike into a mating area over here. Now, if you have this large gap and you have any issues, we were thinking that, you could space this whole housing out of the door, as simple as putting any kind of a spacer behind each one of the mounting bolts themselves. Or we were thinking about the strike plates that we have would allow for a way to space that out, kind of tastefully, look aesthetically correct, but it can be done either way. And you're going to have your wiring inside of this door for your actuator. I have a video that we just shot for that shows an inhibit relay for safety on the front door Thunderbolts. So we don't want the Thunderbolts to be able to lock or activate while the vehicle's running. That's strictly for safety. In case something happened, somebody needed to get in that van as a rescue, we don't want those locks to be active and inhibit that. So I'm going to include some relays. In fact, I'm going to plug them right in place. We do, again, have a video that shows what to do. There's 4 wires, a male and a female connector, which will be plugged in, and then power and ground. Catch your power right off your power window switch, and that'll give you a switched ignition lead that will activate those, or will provide power that you need for that relay. So we're available all the time. Give us a call, 708-579-5181. If you have any questions, we really appreciate your order, and have a good afternoon. Thanks.